Hi guys, it's me again, Trudy Lee. It's Tuesday, August the 21st, second video of the day. It's getting kind of dark here, so I had to put on some little lights. Hope it doesn't shine too much in my eyes. Actually, maybe the glare's not going to be so bad. If I turn this way, funny, huh? I have to turn this way and look at the camera that way. Kind of weird. All right, so this next tarot reading is going to be on Ivanka Trump. So I'm just wondering how she's doing. Somebody asked me, one of my subscribers asked me to read her, so that's what I've done. And of course, you can imagine that there's lots of pentacles, lots of money when it comes to her reading. It's funny. So I've already shuffled all my cards as usual, and I already have them all laid out, ready to go. So with that, just remember guys, if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified for the next video. With no further ado, here's the first card. This is in the present position. This is the Six of Swords. So this looks like she's moving on. Can y'all see that? See? There's a lady there, and she's got her head down, and she's very sad and upset. So I think she's moving on. I think you know, she's probably trying to protect herself and take care of herself and secure her future. You know, her money and all. So she's just out to save herself right now and her family, and I think that she's just going to move on. And she's very sad about it. She's sad about everything that's happened, about the way this presidency's going and how her father's acting and how much time and energy she's had to put into this. And she's just moving on with a heavy heart, I think, with great difficulty and sadness. So that's how, I think that's how she's feeling right now. And the next card, let's see. This one is, it's in the past, but it's recent past, and this is the Seven of Pentacles. Look at all the money. Look at that. She invested so much time and effort and money. She changed her whole life. She moved to Washington, D.C., you know. She did everything she could to help her father. But there's just so much negativity to overcome in this administration. You see this guy, even though he has piles of money stored up here and investing, he doesn't look too happy, you know. So, you know, she's not too happy. She's probably frustrated by all this negativity. We know them all well, right? Her father attacking people on Twitter constantly, and many of them are fellow Republicans, you know. He has divided the country with his rhetoric, you know, attack the FBI. He doesn't believe that Russia is a threat to our election. I mean, it doesn't seem like he wants to do anything about it. He took Putin's side over our intelligence service. That's crazy. He calls the press fake news all the time and tells the people that they can't believe anything they say, you know, and just pitting this country against each other. It's just horrible. She has to know that, y'all. She's not dense. She's not stupid. She's a very intelligent lady. She knows all this. She sees it herself, you know. He separated the migrant children from their parents and even sent them back to their countries without their children. I mean, he has really done horrific things. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, you know. He treated our allies like enemies. He's just a total embarrassment as a president. So she worked hard to help him get to where he was. She moved to Washington with him and changed her and her children's life. And, you know, this is what he does, you know. He's an embarrassment. So I think that's an investment card. And she probably wishes she hadn't invested so heavily in her dad. So now this is the very near future. Let me take a clarification card on this, on her present situation, okay? This is the Queen of Pentacles. I think this is probably Ivanka. This is her. This is a successful businesswoman. She's quiet and secretive, but she quietly achieves all her goals. Whatever she needs to do, she gets it done. So I think this is her. So even though she's leaving, you know, she's moving on and leaving, she has some secrets that she's working on something, and she'll probably be very successful at it. So don't feel too sorry for her. She's gonna figure things out. She's a smart lady. And I mean, all her cards are almost all pentacles. So money, 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 money. This family's money. They're just born into money, and that's just the way it's going to be for them. They're lucky. I mean, well, I say lucky, but money's not everything, is it? If you don't have the love of a family, if you don't have peace in your life, how lucky is that, right? All right, so this is the near future for her. And I got the King of Pentacles. And this is a really good card. So her future looks good. She's still going to be rich when this all ends. She's still going to have plenty of money. I think she has secured her future, and I think she's going to be just fine. So let's take a clarifying card on that. She's going to be just fine. And look what else came up. The Ace of Pentacles. So yeah, this is a new beginning for her. No matter what, you know, she's going to make lemonade out of lemons, I guess. These people, they just know how to make money out of anything, you know. So she'll probably start some new kind of business and be very successful at it. She's just a money maker, and no matter what she does, she puts her hand on it, it's going to be good. So she's going to be okay, you guys. She'll be fine. She'll be sad for a while, and it's going to be difficult, but she's going to come out really good. So that's my reading for her. Like I said, I think she's sad right now with all this happening, all the news that came out today with Cohen pleading guilty and saying that Trump was involved with all that campaign monies, you know, giving it to his little, I don't know, girlfriends. We'll put it nicely. So all that hush money that came from the campaign, you know, and he indicated that Trump knew all about it. So Trump's in trouble, and I'm sure that his children are worried for him and nervous for him, even if he doesn't have enough brain to be nervous for himself. So she's sad and upset, and I think she sees the writing on the wall, and she knows that it is time to move on. So, all right, guys, hope y'all enjoyed that reading. Hope y'all have a good night. I'll load this up. You probably won't see it till the morning, so good morning. And without further ado, make sure that you do something kind for somebody today and give them a hug and a kiss, okay? Love you guys. Thank you. Good night.